How to use the vertical line test, or the VLT. So the vertical line test is a way to just determine whether the graph represents a function. So remember, for a function, every x or element from the domain has to be paired with only one element of the range, or every x must have only one y, or sometimes in function notation y is the same thing as f of x. So it turns out for that to be true, that means that if you draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph, it should only cross at one point. Because what that's saying is that for that x value, there's only one y that is matched with it. And that's it. No matter where else I draw a line, even on this very skinny part, it technically still is only crossing at one point right here. And so that means that this first example is a function. Let's look at B. When we draw any vertical line, we just want to make sure that any vertical line we draw only crosses at one point. So we see example B is also a function. Now let's look at example C. Right away, as we draw a vertical line, we see it crosses at 2 points. This of course means that it is not a function.